If particles are moving with same velocity, then maximum de Broglie wavelength will be 4. So we know de Broglie wavelength is equal to lambda h by p, where p is the momentum or magnitude of momentum. So this is equal to h by mp. If particles, different particles, neutron, proton, beta particle, alpha particle, have same value of velocity v, then de Broglie wavelength is inversely proportional to the mass. And among the four particles, neutron, proton, beta particle, and alpha particle. So among these four particles, only beta particle is the lightest particle. Beta particle का mass सबसे minimum mass, so it will have the maximum wavelength. So as per option C is the right answer.